Forex trading for beginner traders. Forex trading for beginner traders. This is the first class you need on how to start your trading career in the forex market. Yes, this is the first class you need. In this tutorial today, I will educate you on how to start trading forex. This is the first class. All right. Now, all you need to do is to follow this profile, subscribe, like, share, put a comment down saying knowledge is important in trading. Before you can trade forex, you need to understand you need currencies of two nations. One currency on the right side, another on the left hand side. When you combine these currencies together, then you can now trade forex. The combination of currencies from two different nations together is what we call forex currency pairs. Now, how can you combine currencies of different nations together to start trading forex? Before we get started with our tutorial, ensure you are following Chart Empire Trading Academy on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Trade X. Follow us. You can call or chat us on WhatsApp, Telegram on +234 9060201255 to ask more information on how to start learning how to trade forex, crypto, stocks, commodity, and index markets. Thank you. Right now, let's get into it. Before we get started with our forex currency pairs, we need to understand the 8 major currencies in the world. In reality, there are a lot of currency pairs in the world, and if we start talking about them all, there are some which it's not encouraging to trade, and this is why I listed the eight major ones you need to know as a beginner trader. Right now, as you can see right here on this list, I have the USD all the way down to Euro, and these are the abbreviations, the full meaning. So as we keep on going in our trading courses in the forex market, we make use of these currencies and we combine them together, right? So before we start combining them together, we need to know what these abbreviations are all about so you don't get lost along the way. Now, whenever you see USD, it means United States dollar. And when you see GBP, it means Great Britain pounds. You know, the United States dollar is the currency in United States of America. The Great Britain pounds is the currency in United Kingdom. We have the AUD, which is the Australian dollar. That is the currency of Australia. We have Canadian dollar. That is the Canadian dollar. That is the CAD. That is the currency spent in Canada. We have the NZD. That is the New Zealand dollar, the currency of New Zealand. We have JPY. That is the Japanese yen, the currency of Japan. We have CHF, which is the currency in Switzerland. That is the Swiss franc. And we have Euro, EUR, which is the currency in Europe. So these are the 8 major currencies. Now, we can pair all these currencies all together to form different categories of currency pairs in the market. But for now, let's just stick to the abbreviations right here and their full meaning. And then we now proceed to how we can combine some of these currencies together. And most of you might have been wondering, why don't we include the Naira, which is the NGN? NGN. Do not worry. In the later study of our course, we'll tell you the reason why we are unable to include NGN, the Naira, in the list of all these 8 major currencies. So based on the names, 8 major currency, these are the top leading economies in the world, the top 8 leading economies in the world. That is the top leading countries in the world. So if you think we should include China, that is the Chinese yuan, on this list, let me know in the comment section, right? Let me know if the Chinese yuan can be included as the number 9. Let me know. To trade the forex market, we need 2 currencies, currency of different nations. For instance, if we would like to trade the Naira, we can decide to exchange it for another currency, which means we sell our Naira out to buy another currency. This currency could be currency of any nation. This is our Naira, NGN, right? Now, for us to use our Naira to purchase any currency, we need to pair it with a currency of another nation. For instance, we can pair it to USD. USD. All right. Now, you can use your Naira to buy another currency from a different nation. For example, you use the Naira for GBP paired against the Naira. So this is how we keep on combining currencies of two different nations together. Now, you might have been seeing some words on your charts. If you have gone through some pictures or videos online, you might have been seeing something like this, like GBP, you slash it against USD. Another popular example is you pair Euro against USD, right? You pair maybe USD against Canada, right? You pair maybe AUD against USD. Now, this is how you do Forex. When you pair currency together, it means you are buying one and then selling the other. Indirectly, the one you are selling, it means you are willing to buy another one. So, for instance, if we have GBP paired against USD, this slash right here shows us it's paired. So when you see the slash, it means paired. But at times, you may find it like this without the slash symbol, which may be like this. So if you see currencies pair like this without the slash, it still means the same thing. So if you are not seeing the slash, it's the same thing. If you are seeing the slash, it's the same thing. So, but majorly or mostly on your broker platform, you will see it without the pair symbol. You will see it without the pair symbol. But I'm using the pair as a beginner so that you can easily differentiate that we have currency of two different nations combined together. So as you can see right here, it means we want to spend our USD to buy British pound sterling. We want to use our USD right here to buy euro. We want to use our Canadian dollar right here to buy USD. We want to use our USD here to buy AUD USD. So this is what we mean as currency pairing in the forex market. Now, in the next video, I am going to tell you the names of each of these currency based on the side they fall into. You know, we have the first side right here, we have the other side right here. So we can say we have the right side here, the right side here. That is the currency pair that come first. And we have the left side right here. These are the currency pair that comes last, right? So there is a name we call the currency pairs on the right hand side and the name we call the currency pairs on the left hand side. So in the second tutorial, I will tell you what are the names the currency on the first section are being called and the names the currency on the last section are being called. So that is what we discuss in the second part of this tutorial. So this is the first class on Forex trading beginners class Ash 1, right? So if you like to join our trading signals community, check the links I left in the description of this video. Also, if you would like to trade, register with a reliable, reputable, transparent, honest broker, check the broker links I left in the description of this video. You want to trade forex, crypto, stocks, commodity, and index market, we have reliable broker recommendation in the description of this video. Also, for those who want to join mentorship program, you are in Ibadan or you are non-resident of Ibadan or non-resident of Nigeria, you can join our online class. One of the benefits of joining our online class is you also have a copy of the class, of the live class. After each class, we send you a copy of the recorded version of the class. And as well, subscribe, like, share, put a comment down. Comment the keyword knowledge is important in trading. And for more videos, refer to the links I left in the description of this video. For those who are interested in the Yoruba version of this tutorial, check the links in the description of this video. Yoruba version wa for video. I'll see you in the next one. Trade safely. Thank you.